Oh. Let's go play your ice skating. Practice your ice skating. Oh, you don't want that idea? No ice skating tonight then? Hello, Des. Hello, Mary Rose. Where are you going now?
Here, I'm going to put this away.
Okay.
And all this stuff has to go in that green thing.
Go ahead and put that in that.
You put this away. That's where you go.
Tinatabi na niya yung mga...
No, because you got to walk in.
Okay.
Yeah. No, later. When Jelana and I were gonna go to the garage.
No, I'm gonna go down there.
Oh, you're not doing your thingy? Why are picture, mommy and daddy's picture there? I thought that's Julene. Jelana, you're not, that's mommy and daddy's picture are not a toy. But you put it there.
Okay, throw that away. I'll put that one away over there. We're going to put this on the stairs.
Oh, that the wipes, Dad. I give that to you.
Okay. Don't throw it away.
Wow, you clean it very good. That's really nice, Jelana. Good job. You like cleaning, anak? It's just water.
That's why we do this water.
Are you gonna do the thingy? Hello, Sinaida. Are you gonna do ice skating or no ice skating?
No, Dad, I play water.
What you wanna do?
I play water.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no, you want to play what?
No.
In here?
You gonna play
Just how many
water?
pieces?
Why don't you just do ice skating instead of playing water?
Jelana, you didn't put these away. Come here first before you do water. Come. You have to go underneath the stairs way in there. I'll open the door.
You want me to hold it? Oh. Tinatabi na niya mga laruan niya kasi tapos na siya maglaro. You can bring them out tomorrow again? Jelana, do you bring them out tomorrow when you play? Oh, I wanna see. I wanna see. I wanna see. Ayaw mo ba?
I just have much in there.
Okay, I'll go see. Can I see? Why? What happened?
Okay, no cat.
I wanna see. It's okay. I'm fine. Oh wow, you got lots of toys. Good job. Did you hear something? Did you hear an ocean?
I hear it.
The ocean you can hear?
Yeah, I hear
You want the other one?
it.
You want the big one?
Let me see in it. I see a ton in it.
I want the big one.
Oh, you want a tiny one?
Okay.
Do you want a big one?
Oh yeah, boom, boom, boom.